Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents its 2015 Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 610 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a sharp Bianco Monecerus exterior color and Bicolor Elegante interior in Nero Ade over Rosso Andra. This car comes well optioned, including 20-inch forged Mimas rims and shiny black finish, navigation, carbon ceramic brakes, red calipers, rear view camera, parking sensors, lift system, transparent engine bonnet, carbon forged engine bay, sport exhaust, style package, Lamborghini dynamic steering, Vorsteiner Carbon Fiber rear wing, and much more.